I'm sat on probably the earliest form of English campaign chair that you can find. It's a Georgian chair, around about 1760 in date, and as you can see, looks just like its domestic equivalent. But it folds up very quickly and neatly, and that's all to do with its use. It's what we call a naval chair. And of course, on board ship, you had cannon everywhere. Even the captain had cannons in his cabin. And the furniture, when the call clear the decks was made, had to be moved very fast. You couldn't be doing with a piece of furniture that had screw-in legs or bolts. That would take too long. What you would need is a chair like this one, which would fold up very neatly and quickly. And as you can see, we've drastically reduced its size. Very thin compared to what it was originally. Very clever but simple design, like the best ones often are. So let's have a little bit of a closer look at it. We can see that we have got two rails fitted underneath the seat, and these rails are quite important because they stop the hinged side frame from collapsing when you're sat on it. But let's come in a little bit closer. So when it's folded, we can have a closer look at these joints. Now, the best of these chairs have mortise and tenon joints here, so that when that's opened, it'll lock in and just add an extra little bit of strength to it. So that's quite a nice touch. It's also got a back leg which kicks out a little bit so that it can freestand when folded. Voila. So it's a great chair. Would have been used on board ship, although I'm sure the odd army officer had them as well. We're not 100% sure on the seat frame. There's a chance it may have been replaced at some stage. If it has been, it was certainly done quite some time ago. But a very interesting chair. Mahogany, English, Georgian, round about 1760 in date. And nice and comfortable.